Hello everybody, today I'm going to unbox Samsung SSD 512GB. This is 860 Pro, okay? So this is how the box looks like. I have serial number here, made in Korea. Okay, so I already cut it here. So it comes with manual over here, pretty big actually. And SSD, and that's it, nothing else. So this is old style SSD that connects with a SATA connector here and power over here, same way as hard drives. Okay, this one SSD though, much faster. Okay, that's how it looks, pretty light. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.